You sleep for 8 hours, sometimes even more.
You wake up and still feel tired. Not just a little tired, completely drained.
Like your body didn't recharge at all.
So you ask yourself, why am I always tired even after 8 hours of sleep?
Here's the truth most people don't realize.
It's not about how long you sleep. It's about how well your body recovers during sleep.
And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's draining your energy and how to fix it starting today.
It's not sleep duration, it's sleep quality.
Most people chase more sleep. I'll just sleep earlier tonight. I need 9 hours instead of 7.
But here's where things get interesting.
You can sleep for 8 hours and still feel exhausted if your sleep quality is poor. Your body cycles through different stages of sleep: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Deep sleep is where your body repairs itself. REM sleep is where your brain resets. If you don't get enough of these stages, you wake up tired, even after a full night in bed. It's like charging your phone with a broken cable. The time is there, but the charge isn't. And this leads to the biggest hidden problem. Your night routine is destroying your sleep.
Let's be real for a second.
Most people don't have a sleep problem. They have a pre-sleep problem. Scrolling your phone, watching videos, checking notifications. All of this exposes your eyes to blue light. And blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. So your brain delays melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep deeply. The result? You fall asleep, but your body never enters proper deep sleep cycles. That's why you wake up feeling tired after sleeping. But here's something even more important. Your brain never actually rests. You might be lying still, but your brain could still be running. Stress, anxiety, overthinking. If your mind is active before sleep, your body struggles to enter deep rest. Instead, you stay in lighter sleep stages. So technically, you slept for 8 hours. But your brain never shut down. It's like trying to rest in a noisy room. You're lying down, but you're not recovering. And this is one of the biggest reasons for chronic fatigue. But it doesn't stop there. What you eat is draining your energy. Most people never connect diet with fatigue. But what you eat directly affects your energy levels. If you're eating processed food, sugar, or heavy meals late at night, your body spends the night digesting instead of repairing. And digestion takes energy. So instead of waking up refreshed, you wake up exhausted. This is why people who eat clean, balanced meals often report higher energy levels. And this is where most people make a mistake. They focus on sleep, but ignore everything that happens before it. Now here's something even simpler. You're missing morning sunlight. This might sound small, but it's powerful. Your body runs on a natural clock called the circadian rhythm, and sunlight is what sets that clock. If you don't get enough sunlight in the morning, your body gets confused. It doesn't know when to feel awake and when to feel sleepy. So your sleep quality drops. Your energy levels drop. And you feel tired all day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight in the morning can make a huge difference. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Lack of movement is making you more tired. It sounds strange, but doing nothing actually makes you more tired. When you don't move your body, your circulation slows down. Your muscles become inactive. your energy systems weaken.
That's why sitting all day makes you feel sluggish. Exercise, on the other hand, boosts oxygen flow, improves mood, and increases energy levels.
Even a short walk can help you feel more awake.
So if you feel low energy all the time, movement might be the missing piece.
But there's another factor people ignore.
Your sleep schedule is inconsistent.
Sleeping 8 hours isn't enough if your timing is random.
Going to bed at different times every night confuses your body. Your internal clock depends on consistency.
When your sleep schedule is irregular, your body struggles to enter deep sleep properly.
So even if you sleep long enough, the quality suffers.
That's why people who sleep and wake at the same time every day often feel more energized.
Consistency trains your body to rest better. But now, let's talk about something deeper. Hidden health issues could be the cause. Sometimes, feeling tired all the time isn't just about habits.
It could be something happening inside your body.
Common causes include vitamin deficiencies, especially vitamin D and B12, low iron levels, thyroid imbalances,
Sleep disorders like sleep apnea.
If you've tried improving your sleep and still feel exhausted, it might be time to check your health, because no amount of sleep can fix an underlying issue. And this is something many people overlook for years.
The energy drain cycle most people are stuck in.
Here's the pattern. You feel tired, you avoid activity, you eat quick, unhealthy food, you scroll late, you sleep poorly, you wake up tired again.
It becomes a cycle, and the longer you stay in it, the worse your energy gets.
But here's the good news. You don't need to fix everything at once.
Start small. Fix your night routine.
Get sunlight in the morning.
Move your body daily.
These small changes can completely transform your energy.
And once you break the cycle, everything becomes easier.
So if you've been asking, why am I always tired even after 8 hours of sleep? Now you have your answer.
It's not just sleep.
It's your habits, your routine, and how your body functions as a whole.
And remember the biggest mistake?
Thinking more sleep equals more energy?
It doesn't. Better sleep and better habits do.
If this helped you understand why you feel tired all the time, then you'll want to watch the next video where I break down simple daily habits to boost your energy naturally.
And if you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.